Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So this video will be a Nykaa haul. So I got some products from Nykaa Pink Friday sale that I'm going to show you guys. And yeah, without wasting any further time, let's get started. So the first product that I will be showing you guys is a blush. It's from Wet n Wild in the shade Mellow Wine. Looks like this. The best part is that it does not contain any shimmer to it. It's totally matte, does matches my skin tone really well. So if you're someone looking for a shimmerless blush, you can definitely go for this one. I would highly recommend you this. Also very affordable. Its actual cost is 399 rupees. However, I got it for 299, which is a great deal. So yeah, if you are looking for Wet n Wild blushes, it has 3 different shades. You can go for any one of them. They are shimmerless and totally affordable. So next up we have 2 liquid lipsticks. One is from Lakme. It's Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color, and the other one is NYX Professional Makeup Liquid Lipstick, and the Lakme one is in the shade Mulberry Feast. This one is, I'll show you the swatch of this one. It is here. So this is kind of a mauve color with purple undertone to it, and this one retails for 700 rupees if I'm not wrong, and I got this one for 399 rupees, which was a good deal again. And this one here, it's in the shade Exotic. Let me show you a swatch. This is a beautiful nude color with a pink undertone to it. I really love this color as well. So these are the 2 shades that I got from Nykaa. This one actually retails for 799 rupees if I'm not wrong, and I got this one for 425 rupees, I guess. So yeah, I really love these lipsticks. Third thing that I'm going to show you guys is a body mist from Lair Water Girl, and it's in the fragrance Vanilla Twist. I really love this perfume, and not a perfume but a body mist. I really love the body mist, and yeah, it has a very strong smell of vanilla. So if you're someone who loves the smell of vanilla, if you love vanilla fragrance, you can definitely go for this one. And yeah, it is also affordable. This one's actual price is 195 rupees. I got it for 175 rupees approximately. So yeah, you can definitely go for this one. So next I have this blue liner from Lakme. I had to try this liner because I saw a lot of photos, videos on social media wherein people were applying blue eyeliner on their eyelids, and it looked amazing. So yeah, I'm definitely going to try this one out. So next up we have a mascara. So this one is from L'Oreal. It's Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. It's waterproof, and it does give your lashes a volume. And if you check this out, the bristles are dense. It definitely has given a lift to my lashes. I haven't used an eyelash curler, and I have just used 1 coat of this mascara, and I'm totally loving it. So I really love the eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution. First thing being, it's very affordable. Second thing is the pigmentation and the colors that Makeup Revolution provides is totally amazing. So I've got this one, which is named Tamex Revolution Tropical Carnival Eyeshadow Palette. I totally am in love with this eyeshadow palette, and the packaging, if you see, looks like this. The outer cover and the inner part is like this, and the shadows are amazing. So I really love this thing about Makeup Revolution, that they provide mirrors with all their eyeshadow palettes, which is a plus point. And these are the eyeshadows that I have got. If you check this out, these are amazing. And let me quickly show you the pigmentation as well for some colors. I'll take yellow. This is the yellow shade. It's amazing. Let me show you the red one. And also let me show you a blue color. Pigmentation is amazing. All you need in an eyeshadow palette is pigmentation, and Makeup Revolution never fails to deliver that. So I'm gonna really give Makeup Revolution 10 on 10 on this palette. So the next thing that I have here is a combo. So this combo is from Dot and Key. This is the water sleeping mask, and this is a concentrate serum. It contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin C as well. So I really love the combo. If you're someone with dry skin, especially during winters, you can definitely try this out. It will definitely hydrate your skin a lot. Let me also show you the packaging of this one. So I really love the packaging of this here. Just look at this. When it wants to come out, let me show you. Like this. And I am totally loving this out. And let me show you the packaging for this one as well. This is a gel, and I'm really loving it. It does not have a very strong smell. It has a very mild smell. You will definitely like it. And once you apply it on your skin, the fragrance evaporates. So this alone costs for 975 rupees and this one for 795 rupees. However, the combo on the Pink Friday sale, I got it for 1245, which is an amazing deal. So yeah, you can try them out as well. So next I have an eyebrow kit from Wet n Wild. If you have seen my beginner's makeup tutorial, I have used the same eyebrow kit, and I really love this eyebrow kit. I'm using it for a very long time now. It is my 5th purchase and repurchase, and it contains 2 colors. One is a light brown color and the other is the dark brown color. This is the setting wax. Comes with 2 applicators over here. One is the brush itself and the other one is a plucker. Also contains a small mirror over here, and it's in the shade ash brown. And I have been loving this if you are looking for an eyebrow kit, you can definitely go for this one, because this is very affordable, plus it does not make your eyebrow look cakey or that sort of eyebrows. So this one is for 399 rupees only. Next up, I have a serum from Estee Lauder, which you must have heard about, and it's an advanced night repair serum. So my previous bottle is about to end. The serum is about to end, so I had to get a new one, and this one was not on sale. I got it for 1200 rupees, which is its actual MRP. So it was not on sale, guys, but I really love this serum, so I had to repurchase this. And bigger version of this one costs for 3500 rupees, so 1200 rupees, because I don't have money. So I have 3 things left in here, from which one is this concealer from Maybelline. It's in the shade 25 medium. So I really love using products from Maybelline because Maybelline never disappoints me. If you're looking for a light medium coverage, then you can definitely go for this one. But if you're looking for a very high coverage concealer, this is not your thing. But I generally like using this on an everyday basis, so that is the reason I got this concealer. Yeah, I love it. Second last thing that we have here is a lip liner from In Color, and it's in the shade brown. Let me show you a swatch. So I really like the lip liner, not because of its color, but also because it's very affordable. It's only and only for rupees 49, and yeah, if you're looking for a budget friendly lip liner and are not ready to invest in a very expensive lip liner, you can go for the In Color one. And yeah, it also has different shades as well, so you can definitely invest in color lip liners. And the last product in this haul video is a face mask by Nykaa. It's Nykaa Go for Glow Ultimate Detox Face Mask. It retails for 799 rupees. However, the best part, which I'm very happy about, is that I did not have to pay for this one, because it was my birthday month going on when I got these products, when I bought these products, and Nykaa sent me a gift, a birthday gift. So here's the thing with Nykaa, that if you buy products in your birthday month, you get a free gift considered as your birthday gift. And earlier when I got products in my birthday month, I got a pouch, a lipstick pouch, and this time I've got this Nykaa Go for Glow face mask, and I'm really happy about. So it also comes with a spatula here. I'll show it to you. And this is the spatula it comes along with. It's a silicone spatula that comes along with. I haven't tried it yet, but I will definitely give it a try. So yeah, this was the last thing in the haul video, and with this we have reached the end of the video. I hope you all liked my video, and if you did, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, till then, be safe and healthy. Bye.